Hi, my name is Gavin. I just have a desire to fix stuff, repair stuff, put stuff back into service that could well be still of use. And I did a video before that where I fixed a GHD hair straightener. That hair straightener has been around for a very long time, obviously not used by me, but it started to develop a fault, and I thought, I'm sure I can fix this, save it going to the dump. And I have a little blowtorch that I use for lighting my wood burning pizza oven, and I unfortunately left it outside and it went rusty and wouldn't switch on and ignite. So here I am. This video is going to be about me attempting to fix it. So let's see how we can get and try and enjoy the process, the challenge of fixing something, as well as keeping something out of a rubbish dump. Right, I have here the body part of a gas blowtorch, propane blowtorch, which I've had for a very long time, and it was unfortunately left outside, and now I cannot get it to start. Can't switch it on. If I try to rotate this to turn the gas on, I get a click, 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 and nothing happens. The igniter seems to be okay. Can't really tell if there's a spark. Oh, guess I could look here. Yep, there's still a spark. I don't know if you can even see that. So that part seems alright. I just can't get the gas to turn on. So I'm assuming the screw mechanism in here is just rusted shut because of the damp and cold. It's been winter and it's been horrible. So let's grab a little screwdriver and see if I can get inside here. Where's my trusty screwdriver? Screw container. I'm going to keep those there for now. Of course you won't come out. So these are interesting screws. They are Torx head, but also flat. If you can see that. Let's see if it refocuses. Come on. Never mind, you can see that close enough. So that is 4 screws removed. Let's see if we can pull them open. Interesting. This is as I expected. Oh, let me not lose that screw. Pop that one out so I can keep it safe. Right, what I want to do is see if I can get this out. Slides out very nicely. Don't need you. Don't lose the trigger. Now, what I think is happening is this is just slipping. That's what I thought it was. This is the actual knob. No, that is also slipping. So can we get you off? That's going to be fun. Not easily. Right. Let's see if we can use some pry tools, or whether these are even strong enough. Well, no, let's give it another go. we go. Nothing like a bit of leverage. There, that's what I thought. The plastic has simply come apart there. Now the question is, if I grip this with a pair of pliers, will I be able to do it? Right. Tools. What I'm going to do, well, let's just give this firstly I go with this. I was hoping I'd get a better grip here. Just my hand. No, that's what I thought. Slightly slipping, and I do not want to strip this head. So, my trusty vice grips. Not tight enough. These are excellent tools. Trick is to get them just tight, but not too tight. Straight away, we're loose, people, we're loose. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do, turn it all the way out. Thank you for your service. Then I am going to service you with a bit of WD-40. Get you nice and wet. Oh, that's what I was trying to avoid. Now, where's the official knob? That's what I was hoping for. Brilliant. Brilliant. This is fantastic. That is the ideal result. Such an easy fix. Right, screw that back in all the way. Slide you back on. Check that that's all gripping as it should. Fantastic. Right. Now, whilst I've got you here, let me just check what happens here. Good, that's just the jet. That all looks clean to me. Right, reassemble. Got to remember that trigger. But before we get to that bit, let's mount that. Perfect. I was just about to ask, where is the trigger mechanism even mounted? And then I saw it. So that, oh, I have not mounted that correctly. There we go. So that just then pushes down on that. You can even see the spark there. That's pretty good. Right. Make sure there's no unwanted little things in there. Right, I'm going to make sure, I'm going to look in here to ensure that that little collet slides in there very nicely. Beautiful. Oh, didn't quite get that, did I? Perfect. Screws back in, lovely quick repair. Just what I needed tonight. Now, just for pedantry, don't know what you call it. I'm going to go in reverse order. Yeah, I nearly didn't, having just said that I was going to. Be nice to have a quick fix. Beautiful. No clicking, just a smooth rolling motion. Exactly as it should be. Perfect. Right, let's get that gas canister on and see that it works. Gas canister. Really hope you can hear me above the wind. Let's give it a try. Perfect.